Welcome back to Crime Scene SA. In this video, we are highlighting 5 criminal cases that ended up in jail time in January 2025. From a teenager to a 6-year-old man and even a parolee back behind bars. These cases made headlines. A 15-year-old Cape Town boy has been sentenced to 10 years in prison for the murder of a 14-year-old girl. Naima Marshall was shot and killed in 2023 in Forest Village after refusing to kiss the boy. He was also handed additional sentences for the illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition, though all sentences will run concurrently. Marshall's mother, Fadima, previously told News 24 that the boy had been pursuing her daughter for a very long time, hoping she would become his girlfriend. 2 men have been sentenced to 22 years in prison for rhino poaching-related offences, while a third received a 4-year sentence. Sam Khosa, a South African, and Odis Maluleke, a Mozambican national, were convicted on multiple charges by the Skukuza Regional Courts in Mpumalanga. The charges include illegal hunting and possession of unlicensed firearms. Another South African national, Soli Bennett Silahle, was sentenced for conspiracy to commit a crime. The men were arrested in the Kruger National Park in 2019 after being intercepted with incriminating items, including 1 rhino horn, 1 hunting rifle with some ammunition, 2 knives, as well as some clothing items. A Kruger Field Ranger, Philip Gumede, was also arrested but passed away before the case could be finalized in courts. The Johannesburg High Court has sentenced Eugene Botha to 3 life terms for the brutal murder of his parents and younger sister. Botha, who is 43 years of age, pleaded guilty to killing his father, mother and sister at their Germiston home on New Year's Day 2024. He also admitted to defeating the ends of justice and illegally possessing a firearm and ammunition. Postmortem results revealed that the victim died from repeated blows to the head with a hammer. During sentencing, the court dismissed Botha's claims of childhood abuse, with Judge Nqina Malindi stating he refused to take responsibility. Botha's brother, Yako, testified against him, rejecting his claims of victimhood. A 6-year-old Mpumalanga man has been sentenced to 15 years in prison for the murder of his daughter. The Witbank Regional Court found Fanny Petros Mchali guilty of killing his 24-year-old daughter in September 2022. The court heard that an argument broke out after she arrived home late, leading Mchali to slap her. She fell onto a television set and died on the scene. Mchali was arrested the next day and remained in custody throughout the trial. And lastly, a 32-year-old Eastern Cape man has been sentenced to life plus 30 years for the brutal murder of his girlfriend. The Umtata High Court found Bongile Makunga guilty of killing Ingwe Vets College student Zintle Xebani in July 2024. At the time, he was out on parole for murdering another girlfriend in 2016. The NPA says Makunga attacked Xebani with a bush knife after she refused to visit him. While fleeing, he hijacked a vehicle, injuring the driver and forcing a passenger to jump out from a moving car before crashing and getting arrested. Prosecutors described him as a dangerous man with no regard for the law.